Welcome back once again, arcade and electronics enthusiasts. Back here with another classic arcade repair. This is a Targ, T-A-R-G, Targ from Exidy. This is my first Exidy board that I've done, so I just got done putting together my harness. And I got it all hooked up. This is a video is sent here, and this is the RGB sync board. You have a sound board on top and a CPU video logic board here. So I've got it over on the monitor and all looks good. I've actually been playing it, but there is no sound. No sound. And one thing I did notice, I put all the potentiometers on halfway, straight up, so that I'd hear something. But this thing is fire hot. I'm turning it off. That amp is fire hot. So there's something going on there. I checked my voltages. The voltages are good. But there's something up with this amp because it is smoking hot. It's crazy. Crazy hot. But yeah, I checked my voltages. Voltages are good. So I'm going to pull this thing off of here, pull it apart, and start looking at this guy and look for shorts. There's something ain't right on this thing. This amp is probably going to have to be replaced, I would think. I hope it's not some oddball weirdo. We'll see. Okay, I'm obviously wanting to replace this amp because of how hot it was. There's zero chance that it's any good. So, and it's still hot. Holy crap. But anyway, this bar, it's one of those amps that has the bar over top of it. And it was soldered into here. So what I did was I took these, and where the screw went down into here to hold the amp on there, I took these and cut this on both sides and then heated it up with the iron and plucked those things out of there. I'll be able to remove this because trying to get this out, desoldering this from the back side would have been virtually impossible. So that was really the only option, was to just cut that bar at the screw holes and yeah, get it out of there. So all right, well, I'm going to remove this guy, and I believe this is the same amp that is in the old Midway stuff with the bar on it, the TA611 or 622 or something like that. I don't remember exactly. Gunfight, I believe, uses the same amp. So, and luckily, when I had to replace one on a Gunfight, I bought a bunch of them, so I have it. All right, so yeah, I just wanted to point that out. This thing had to be kind of brute forced out of here. I just had to cut that steel bar, whatever. Just cut it. That's it. So I'll go ahead, continue removing this, and see where we're at. Okay, I have replaced the heatsink, socketed it, put a aluminum heatsink on it because this thing gets hot. I turned it on for a second and it does work. So the amp was bad, but it just gets super hot. This is basically a Pac-Man amp. It's a LM1877. And all you have to do is change this shunt here. What I did was the first three. Let me get something to point with. The first three here, I broke, and then I soldered these together. Really, all I had to do was take the thing out and flip it and put it back in. It would accomplish the same thing, because originally these three were broke and these three were open. So all I had to do was flip it around. But that's what I did. Whatever. And it is now configured to use this amp. And that's in the schematic, which is right here. It says these notes. See note number 1. This is that dual inline package shunt thing. In number 1, it says jumpers shown indicate configuration for LM379. Use the alternate basically for LM377, which LM377 is the same thing as LM1877 for Pac-Man. So that's what I did, is I just I flipped this configuration. And I was letting this kind of set up a little bit on here, as I just put this heatsink on. And we'll go ahead and I'll fire this up and you'll hear it kind of snapple and crackle and stuff. There. And it's not so hot now with this heatsink. And it's still hot. It gets warm for sure. But I'm going to set the camera up and play a game of this and check out all the sounds. Okay. Grab my controller and coin this thing up. Okay. See what we got. No sound. Ooh, that amp is super hot again. I hear the pop, but it seems to be working. The amp is working now, but there's no sound. I'm going to turn it back on. And no sound. Okay, no sound. Yeah, no sound. And man, does that amp get hot. Holy crap. Okay, well, we'll figure out the no sound issue. Well, I'll be back. Well, I had left this thing on for a little while doing some probing. And look at this capacitor. Look at this tantalum. How hot it got. I'm going to remove that guy and see what we get. Is that thing burnt up. And I didn't really even notice it. I've just been going through the schematic and it seems like all these signals are here. All of the signals that are supposed to be made with the sounds seem like it's working fine. So yeah, I'm working my way to the amp, and I just noticed that. Okay, so I now have this thing all put back together, and I replaced those two blown out caps, the 33 microfarad caps that were broken there, and that really that made it to where it works good now. So I've got the amp in. This is all nice and cured now, and we are running. So I will go ahead and turn off lights. We'll play us some Targ. Boy, that's loud. Darn it. Oh, you creep. One more. I am not good at this. game. Talk about simplistic fun. June of 1980 is when this came out, apparently, according to Todd Tuckey. I watched his video. He has a video on this because I wanted to hear the sounds. And, yep, they're exactly the same. So, yeah. Just down just a little bit. Turn that down because it was really loud. But, yeah, this thing will keep that nice and cool. I do have the standoffs. I'll put the standoffs back in it. But yeah, that is it. Targ. Working on 100%. It was just a no sound issue. It was, for some reason, they had two capacitors jumped in this, and this LM324 wasn't even in here. So I put the LM324 in. I replaced these two capacitors. The amp was bad. And I think that's about it. This board worked. This board worked fine. It just didn't have sound. So, yeah. That's all she wrote. So, as always, appreciate everyone watching, and we will see you on the next Classic Arcade Repair. Bye for now.